Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. Today we will learn what software engineering is and how it is different from programming in a simple way. Okay, definition: software engineering is a systematic discipline and quantifiable approach to the development, operation, maintenance, and retirement of software. It applies engineering principles to software creation, emphasizing. Okay, see. Software engineering is a systematic discipline and a measurable approach to making software. In a simple words, it's a way to plan, build, test, and maintain software properly. Okay, it uses engineering principles, which means it's organized and follows rules, not just random coding. Okay, see. Structured process, example SDLC Agile: requirement analysis, design, testing, and documentation. Project management, cost, quality control, and teamwork. Reliability, scalability, and maintainability of software. Difference, okay, wait, see. Software engineering focuses on a few important things, like first, see, structured processes like SDLC or Agile to guide how software is developed. Okay, next is it covers requirement analysis, design, testing, and documentation. This ensures the software does what users want. It also includes project management, cost control, and teamwork, so big projects run smoothly. And then finally, it focuses on reliability, scalability, and maintainability, which means the software should work well, handle growth, and be easy to update. Then difference between software engineering and programming. Scope: programming involves writing code to solve a specific problem, whereas software engineering covers the end to end process from concept to deployment and maintenance. Then, focus: programming focuses on implementation coding alone, while software engineering involves analysis, design, coding, testing, documentation, and maintenance. Then, scale: programming is often for individual or small scale tasks, while software engineering is for team based large scale projects with complex systems. Then process: programming can be ad hoc or minimally structured, whereas software engineering follows structured methodologies like agile or waterfall. Output: programming produces a program or script, while software engineering delivers a robust, scalable, and well documented software product. Goals: programming focuses on functionality, whereas software engineering emphasizes quality, reliability, efficiency, and meeting user requirements. Then documentation. Programming requires minimal or optional documentation, while software engineering requires detailed documentation. Example SRS design docs, user manuals. See, difference between software engineering and programming. Okay, now let's understand the difference between programming and software engineering. First is scope. See, programming involves writing code to solve a specific problem, whereas software engineering covers the end to end process from concept to deployment and maintenance. See, programming is just writing code for a problem, while software engineering is the whole process from idea to deployment and maintenance. Okay, then focus: Programming focuses on implementation coding alone, while software engineering involves analysis, design, coding, testing, documentation, and maintenance. Okay, see, programming focuses only on coding, but software engineering includes analysis, design, coding, testing, and documentation. Then, scale. See, programming is usually for small tasks or individual work, whereas software engineering is for large team projects with complex systems. Okay, then process. Programming can be ad hoc or minimally structured, whereas software engineering follows structured methodologies like agile or waterfall. See, programming can be ad hoc or casual, while software engineering follows structured methods like agile or waterfall. Then output. Programming produces a program or script, while software engineering delivers a robust, scalable, and well documented software product. See, programming creates a program or script, while software engineering produces a robust, scalable, and well documented software product. Then goals. Programming focuses on functionality, whereas software engineering emphasizes quality, reliability, efficiency, and meeting user requirements. See, programming aims for functionality, but software engineering ensures quality, reliability, efficiency, and meeting user requirements. Then last is documentation. Programming requires minimal or optional documentation, while software engineering requires detailed documentation. Example: SRS, design docs, user manuals. See, programming might need minimal documentation, but software engineering needs detailed documents like design documentation or manuals. Then, key point: programming is a subset of software engineering. It's primarily the act of writing code. Software engineering is the holistic process of building, delivering, and maintaining software systems using engineering principles and structured methods. So, in short, programming is just a part of software engineering. It's mainly writing the code. Software engineering is the bigger process, building, delivering, and maintaining software using engineering principles. Okay, then see, example: a programmer writes code for a login feature. A software engineer ensures the login system is secure, integrates with user databases, follows design specifications, is thoroughly tested, and can handle thousands of users. A program writes a code for login feature. Okay, and then a software engineer ensures that the login system is secure with the databases, follows design specs, is tested, and can handle thousands of users. That's it for today. Thank you.